Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can run SMS marketing campaign using our application for SMS, for outgoing and incoming SMS, TwiSMS. TwiSMS is application which is actually this application for integration of Twilio and Bitrix24. So in that video, I will show you how you can use it in different manner. First manner is that you can create campaign manually and send SMS manually. Another option is that you can create SMS automatically using robots. So robots will send SMS based on some condition. And the third last option, I will not go in detail. I will just will show you that you got also an option to send SMS via business process. Okay, let's go. So we got TwiSMS, our application, right? So in previous video, I explained how you can connect that application to your Bitrix24. But if you install it and you're not able to connect, just send us a message using this button. You will see this messenger. Just type something like "help me please" or something like that, and we will help you with installation. Good. What else? Okay, so we need to go to the marketing. So in marketing, you need to select SMS campaign. And in SMS campaign, you need to select any of these templates and select here TwiSMS sending via Twilio. Then you need to select a segment. Segment means that you can create some segment of your clients and you can use the segment that again and again. For example, you can split segments by leads or contacts, and that contacts will be filtered by some of the condition. So for example, I will not go deep on that. I will just show you how we can simply show you how we can create simple segment. So you need to click create, change test segment. Right. And select here clients means contacts. So it's like you go into your contacts and selecting some contacts based of some condition. For example, you need to select some contact source or based on products which client use or anything else. Or you can select some deals, you can select some leads based on some condition. So I'm not going too deep in that because I want to make a video short. I'll just close that and select segment, for example this segment, which have no recipients, but actually we don't need to have recipients here. And once you selected segment, you can go here, SMS text, and delete all of this here and say, and for example, you want to say something like, dear client name, please, I don't know, if you need help, or just contact us if you need help, or something like that. What you need to do, so click here and click on the 3 points, click other and select name. It's important to select other. So name means name of a client, name which identify a text field in leads as a name or in context. Dear client name, please call us if you need, I don't know, buy a property, something like that, right? And before to send, you need to test it. So I'm testing to my number. So I got SMS which says dear Emin, please call if you need buy a property. Right, so I got SMS, so I'm saving that campaign. Campaign means segment plus some template. And later manually save. So I'm going to campaign. And so I got that campaign which I created before, and now, so if I'm clicking, so preparing that is fetching all contacts as here. So I'm clicking send now, it start sending SMS to all contacts which I created in campaign. Right, so this is the first option. Second option, if you want to create a campaign based on some condition using robots. So to test robots, let's go to the leads. So I'm going to the leads. So in leads, I'm going to automation rule, means robots. So I go to robots here. And for example, I want to let the client know that I want to a time which we agreed for the meeting, right? So for example, meeting scheduled stage, I'm clicking add and select customer communication. So, and I'm looking send SMS. So send SMS to customer, click add. Okay, then change. Right, then click here, provider, select TwiSMS sending via Twilio. Right, and then the same. We, for example, send some text, dear client name. So we're going with 3 dots and looking for the lead. Inside to the lead, we're looking for the lead name or name, first name, right? So first name, looking you for a meeting as we agreed. That's it. So client phone number means selected first phone number which we got in the list. It could be some condition. For example, you can set up some fields inside to lead and identify send that SMS based of that fields. For example, we can identify some I don't know, available for a call. Okay, is equal to yes, then send SMS. Equal to no, no send SMS. You know, different condition could be here. This is just an example. So save. That's it. Now what happened is that when a lead will come to the meeting scheduled, your client will get SMS from you, which will be sent automatically. So you can, using these robots, you can create different conditions and different campaigns. For example, if lead come from Facebook, send one SMS. If lead come from website, send another SMS, and so on. So this is a second option. Now we're looking for the third option. For that, you need to go to the CRM settings, automation, business process, and go, for example, in leads. Okay, so add template could be by default, and this is a business process. You can run different, write different business conditions and business process, how it should go. So long story to tell, I want to show one small thing, that here you got an option. If you go to the CRM and find send SMS, right? And inside of SMS, you can, title SMS, message tags, the same story before as in robots. You can use this these items, lead name or lead first name and tags and so on. And need to select TwiSMS sending via Twilio, and that's it. So that means that, for example, you got different condition if you close the deal or lead, and after a while you send an SMS, and if SMS you can click put some, for example, some links, and if client follow that link, do that. If not, do that, and so on. So workflow quite the same as robots. Actually, robots is quite the same as workflows, but it's more complicated, and you got much more options how to run different condition for the business process, and how to send SMS. Right. Quite obvious, quite short, and hope that will be helpful for you. So thank you very much for watching. If you like that video, click like. If you have any questions, put your questions in the comments under that video. Thank you and bye bye.